Hello children and a very good morning to you all. I am your Ekta ma'am and today I am going to teach you numbers 51 to 60. But before that we will revise numbers 1 to 50. So बच्चों आज पहले हम numbers 1 to 50 का रिवीजन करेंगे और उसके बाद numbers 51 to 60 सीखेंगे. So let's start. So let's first revise numbers 1 to 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Now we are going to read numbers 51 to 60. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Now we are going to write numbers 51 to 60. नंबर्स 51 to 60 लिखने से पहले हम आज की डेट और हेडिंग लिखेंगे. टुडेज डेट इज 10.8.20 and for heading we have to write 51 dash 60. Now leave one line and write TO dot TO dot TO dot TO 4 times. कितनी बार लिखना है TO? 4 times. Now we will start with number 51. 5 under T and 1 under O. 51. 5, 2, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Children, now you have to write numbers 51 to 60 3 times in your notebook. आपको numbers 51 to 60 1, 2 and 3 times आपकी notebook में लिखना है. Okay? Children, Tomorrow we will meet again with the same topic. Till then, bye bye and thank you.